When asked if he would vote for a Republican president in 2024, Musk replied TBD. A user asked him, "What are you leaning towards?" and Musk replied DeSantis. However, Ron DeSantis quips about Elon Musk's 2024 support: "I'm focused on 2022, but with Elon Musk what I would say is, I welcome support from African Americans. What can I say?" Responding to Ron DeSantis' uncooperative attitude, Elon Musk issued a final warning. So what's happened? Before we start the video, support and subscribe to our channel and ring that icon bell so you don't miss any of our exciting videos in the future. Let's begin today's video. Musk said he was leaning towards DeSantis in the next presidential election, but his vote is still to be determined. The CEO of Tesla also predicted a massive red wave in the midterm elections later this year. Musk said last month that he's voted overwhelmingly for Democrats but will be shifting his support to Republicans in the future. DeSantis, who is up for re-election in Florida this year, has deflected questions about making a bid for the White House in 2024 but is widely rumored to be considering a run. Elon Musk reveals DeSantis has already raised more than $100 million for the election cycle, dwarfing fundraising totals of his Democratic challenger. DeSantis continues to be a top draw with the high-end dollar market. The trick will be to translate an expected November win into a monopoly. Longtime Republican fundraiser and lobbyist David Tomasi told Fox News in April. In recent months, DeSantis has praised Musk, whose flirtation with buying Twitter has energized conservatives who think under his leadership there would be less censorship, something DeSantis has focused on as a governor, as Twitter was nearing a deal with Musk to sell. DeSantis said, "It would be a blow to failed legacy media. They were used to going around a lot of those failed legacy media outlets like NBC and CNN that no one trusts anymore." DeSantis said, "It seems like over the past 5 or 6 years these big tech companies, including Twitter, have gone from open platform to being enforcers of the narrative." He has pushed back on the idea of actively trying to relocate Twitter to Florida, which is a long shot pitch other Florida politicians have made publicly. "We have worked really hard on vocation and career education," DeSantis said last month when asked about the recruiting Twitter into Florida. "Importing some tech company from San Francisco has not been high on our list. I think that what happens is that they'll tend to come and they'll drive up the cost of living for everyone else." Wells DeSantis is unhappy with any move from Musk. Even DeSantis is distasteful and hates Elon Musk. However, the Tesla CEO has always supported DeSantis before every action and statement of the Florida governor. At the same time, Musk also wishes to have an opportunity to approach the state of Florida. Now, Tesla proposed a 100,000+ square foot facility in St. Pete, Florida. The new Tesla center would handle the area sales, service and deliveries. The new facility would be on a 421-acre site with an existing 100,000+ square foot building formerly known as Kane's Furniture Liquidation Center. In August 2021, Musk pledged to expedite service center openings, and lately Tesla's customer facilities have become multifunction centers that provide repair and sales services. However, Tesla sales services have been an issue since some states don't allow direct vehicle sales from a car manufacturer. For instance, Tesla's permit was revoked for a new service center in East Hartford, Connecticut, after Hoffman Auto Group raised concerns over direct-to-consumer sale laws. In Florida's case, car makers can sell products directly provided they have no franchise dealerships selling within the state. Musk is working hard to get a ticket to sell directly in Florida. In addition, Musk believes that DeSantis will create a new future for the field of electric vehicle manufacturing politically. Elon Musk is leaning toward DeSantis over Trump. Elon Musk gives here a remarkable fact. At the end of May, Florida Republican Governor Ron DeSantis had $112 million in the bank ahead of his bid for a second term in 2022. 112 million, what an incredible number even in a state like Florida where it takes a lot of money to run for office. But by context, DeSantis raised $59 million and spent $52 million in his 2018 victory over Democrat Andrew Gillum. Yes, DeSantis will likely spend much money in his 2022 race, but whether he faces former Governor Charlie Crist or State Ag Commissioner Nikki Fried in the general election, DeSantis would be a clear favorite. A massive amount of cash on hand he has is best understood as a show of strength to the rest of the potential potential 2024 Republican presidential field up to and including Donald Trump. To be clear, if Trump runs, he will likely lead the field whether or not it includes DeSantis in fundraising. Trump's small-dollar donor base is unmatched and no one will be able to build what the former president already has established between now and 2024. Plus, fundraising rules in Florida are laxer than they are at the federal level, meaning that simply assuming DeSantis can raise similar amounts if he runs for president is a bit of an apples and oranges comparison. Even with those caveats, 112 million is still 112 million, and polls showed DeSantis running as the clear second choice to Trump in the 2024 field. And if the former president decides not to run as the favorite in the field, last fall Trump was dismissive of DeSantis. "If I faced him, I beat him like I would beat everyone else," said Trump at the time. "I think most people would drop out. I think he would drop out now." Trump appears to be taking DeSantis more seriously. As Rolling Stone reported this week, Donald Trump in recent months has been telling confidants that he may launch his 2024 presidential campaign early, and he's considering launching it in Florida to stick it to Governor Ron DeSantis. People who've spoken to Trump say that he's eyeing the Sunshine State to assert his dominance over an ascendant DeSantis. If they both run in 2024, would likely be the former president's most formidable competitor in a primary fight for the GOP nomination. One source said Trump's motivation is to show the governor who the boss is in the modern-day GOP. Elon Musk is setting very high expectations in DeSantis. The Tesla CEO shared that DeSantis could push the U.S. economy to a new peak. Florida Governor DeSantis has shown himself uniquely skilled at attracting attention beyond the borders of his home state. An Ivy League educated and elitist firebrand, he's willing to pick a fight with anyone: reporters, health officials, teachers, or even Disney to grab a headline. He practically radiates ambition. The staff writer Dexter Filkins tells David Ramney he sounds like Trump except that he speaks in complete sentences. It's hard to say how much of Ron DeSantis is ideological and how much is opportunism. And that's the end of today's episode, and we'd like to take time to thank you for your support of Tesla fans. Don't hesitate to comment below the video if you have any thoughts or ideas about the episode, and if you find these videos interesting, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share a video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.